They're off. Wings unfurling, propellers spinning, ascending in the heart of the canyon. Oh, neck to neck. I can just feel the air crackling with anticipation. Oh, look at that laser focus in Seraphina's eyes as she executes that tight turn. Oh, she snuck ahead, hugging that treacherous canyon wall. Oh, but look at that determined set of Percival's jaw. Pure grit there. He's not letting her outmaneuver him that easily. Oh, the dreaded gear gauntlet. Precision is paramount, folks. A single miscalculation means a painful point deduction. Watch Seraphina's elegant navigation. Oh, and Percival's bold, almost forceful approach. The Pylon Slalom. They're weaving through those treacherous obstacles with breathtaking skill. Oh, heart-stopping near miss by Percival. He's pushing his magnificent airship to the absolute limit. Oh, the Archway. A single-file squeeze. Ooh, they're nose to tail, battling to be the first through this critical bottleneck. Oh, the airship blockade. A stunning turn of events. What will our ingenious pilots do? But wait, look at Seraphina. A wistful longing as she opens the cage of her beloved bird. Oh, that bird is taking flight just as she prepares to deploy her ground vehicle. Oh, is that a horseless buggy? A masterful move, Seraphina. And look at her go. It's as if she's breaking free, soaring in a new way. And Percival's reaction? Seraphina's giving Percival a confident smirk. But I think our Percival has a trick up his tabled sleeve, too. And now the shift to terra firma. Seraphina's agile buggy, a nimble desert racer versus Percival's powerful ground machine, a force to be reckoned with. The race continues on the dusty plains. This treacherous rock climb demands power. Look at Percival, a triumphant, almost arrogant grin spreading across his face as he conquers the ascent with sheer force. The race is back on, the thrill of speed in their eyes. But, trouble Percival? The race seemed lost. Two rivals, Seraphina and Percival, their magnificent steampunk creations, swallowed by the unforgiving mud. Their dreams, their ambitions, all threatened to be buried here in this very moment. But in the face of adversity, something extraordinary happened. They looked beyond their rivalry, beyond the limitations of their broken machines. An idea, a spark of ingenuity ignited within them. They were not just racers. They were inventors, creators. They channeled their frustration into innovation, their competition into collaboration. Piece by piece, gear by gear, they transformed their broken buggies into something new, something magnificent. From the mud, a legend was born, a testament to their combined skill, their unwavering spirit. A steampunk horse, a symbol of their unexpected alliance, their shared determination. This wasn't about winning a race anymore. It was about overcoming obstacles, about the power of collaboration, and about the boundless potential of human creativity. It was about turning a setback into a spectacle, a defeat into a daring victory. And so, Seraphina and Percival, once rivals, now allies, cross the finish line together, not as individual champions, but as a team. Their names etched in the annals of the Steampunk Grand Prix. Their story a reminder that even in the most challenging of races, the greatest victories are often those we achieve together. What began as a fierce competition evolved into an inspiring display of unity and innovation. Just like Seraphina and Percival, remember that even when you face unexpected challenges, collaboration and creative thinking can lead to extraordinary results. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share this incredible story of Steampunk Ingenuity. A huge thank you to my amazing AI collaborator for helping me bring this vision to life with incredible ideas and resources. Let us know in the comments what amazing creations you've built or what unexpected alliances you formed. See you again real soon. Bye now.